Krishna Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamini Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Govardhana Prachala Navasesha Sunyavari Paschatadi Satana. Dear Srila Prabhupada, your Disappearance Day encourages us to reaffirm our eternal debt to you. In your second pranam prayer, Namaste Saraswati Devi, it mentions that you came to preach in the Western countries, which are filled with voidism and atheism. These two philosophies are a direct result of materialistic Darwinism. We've all heard of Darwin's philosophy, which is actually the underlying belief system of our age. Every single school in this country teaches this idea and theory as if it were a fact to all students. Even amongst professional scientists, to dare to question anything about this philosophy brings instant heavy criticism and censure, even the loss of a person's position as a result. Nobody is allowed to question this philosophy. Complete certainty is given to this theory, even though it cannot explain the origin of life. Even the scientists acknowledge that. And there are so many holes in its explanation of the development of myriad species that to believe in this theory requires an almost religious faith. The logical outcome of this philosophy is a worldview where everything we see around us, including us, is seen as the outcome of blind forces. Ultimately, therefore, there is no real meaning to any of it, or to human life. That is this philosophy. And so it was into this atmosphere that Srila Prabhupada brought the message that this human form of life is especially valuable. That our life has immense value because this human form gives us the opportunity to discover our real self. And that the intrinsic nature of this self is that we are a servant of the supreme intelligence behind all that we see and experience. And further, that the Supreme is fully expressed as Krishna. I heard the other day in a class given by my godbrother, Bhagavata Shraya, that Srila Prabhupada was asking some young devotees, so how do you know Krishna is God? A few responses were attempted, but ultimately a young devotee offered, because when we chant Hare Krishna, we get an experience of Krishna. Srila Prabhupada said, yes. If we chant sincerely, Krishna responds personally to each of us. And if we go on to develop that sincere chanting, Prabhupada says we have to be patient but confident. Then we can all experience a taste and an awareness of our real self, completely apart from this body. And we can re-establish our unique relationship to Krishna. Nobody needs to confirm it for us because we can all taste it. This is Srila Prabhupada's gift.